3 things I do to jumpstart my online digital business. Turnkey Flow edition. Excuse me. Hey friend, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down the exact 3 things I do anytime I want to jumpstart my online digital business. And every time I do them, momentum kicks in, opportunities open, and cash flow starts moving. If you've been feeling stuck, invisible, or overwhelmed, breathe. Because when you master these 3 moves, your digital business becomes a turnkey flow. Simple, repeatable, profitable. And yes, if you've been eyeing Turnkey Flow as your business in a box solution, stay to the end. There are flexible payment plan options to help you get started today without stress. Alright, let's get into it. Tip number 1, get visible daily. If I need to jumpstart anything in my business, the first thing I do is snap myself out of hiding. Visibility is oxygen, and every time I start showing up with intention, boom, engagement grows, traffic flows, and people start asking, what are you selling? What visibility looks like in practice? A story on IG or Facebook sharing what I'm doing today to build my business. A short form video teaching one micro tip at a time or sharing a big opinion. A behind the scenes moment that helps people trust me. A simple CTA like if you want to see more of the system I use, message me info. Your goal isn't perfection. Your goal is to create a new normal where you show up daily so your audience expects to hear from you. Why this works. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people who stay in their line of sight. Visibility equals trust. Trust equals sales. Tip number 2. Talk about your offer with energy. Let me tell you something bold. Most people aren't making sales because no one knows what they're selling. So when I need momentum, I start talking about my offer again, clearly, boldly, confidently, without waiting for permission. Here's what I share. Why I said yes, what it did for me, who's it for, what problem it solves, what's possible for someone who starts today. And with Turnkey Flow, it's easy to talk about because it's beginner friendly, it's fast to set up, it gives people ready to sell digital business, it eliminates overwhelm, and yes, the flexible payment plan options makes it accessible to almost anyone. Here's the truth. When you talk about your offer with enthusiasm, certainty, other people borrow that belief. Your excitement becomes their green light. Tip number 3. Start a flash style action sprint. This is the move that always shifts my energy and gets sales moving fast. I pick one goal and give myself 24 to 72 hours to go hard. Examples, 20 conversations, 3 videos, 1 mini training, 30 outreach messages, 50 new email subscribers from a lead magnet, a 24-hour promo on my digital product, and let me know if you want the details post. These short sprints don't just create momentum, they create results. When your audience sees your energy shift, they respond. When your actions increase, your opportunities multiply. When you give yourself a sprint, your business gets a jolt of electricity. Why it works. It breaks stagnation. It creates urgency for you and your audience. And it reminds you you are powerful when you move. Let me close out with this. It's my invitation to you. So let's bring it together. When I do these 3 things, visibility, offer clarity, intentional sprints, I always start my business. No exceptions. These are the moves that work because they're simple, repeatable, and proven. And if you're ready to if you're ready to have your jump start moment without starting from zero, without overwhelm, without overthinking, Turnkey Flow is here for you. It's the plug-and-play digital business system built for beginners, busy people, and anyone who wants a clear path to income online. And yes, flexible payment plans are available because I want you to start building your new normal today, not one day. If you want the details, drop a comment, message me info, or click the link in the description. Your momentum starts the moment you decide it does. Let's build. Let's build together.